Hey everyone, have you heard about the big flip in the finance world? There was a time when big-shot CEOs of huge hedge funds wouldn't even give cryptocurrencies the time of day. They were dismissed as dangerous investments, ignored by the financial bigwigs. But guess what? That same CEO who turned his nose up at crypto is now its biggest cheerleader. Want to know how this dramatic turn happened? Stick around, and let's dive into this epic financial turnaround and see how cryptocurrencies went from zeros to heroes. And hey, if you're new to the world of crypto, listen up. With big players like hedge funds joining the party, it's a loud and clear signal that things are heating up. Now's the time to get smart about crypto and gear up for the next big bull market. Don't miss the boat. Do your homework and be ready to ride the wave. Remember those headlines from a while back? Crypto is just a trend, they said. It's too unpredictable, they claimed. Our clients aren't interested, they insisted. But look how things have turned around. Here, let's see what the CEO of BlackRock said. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager with over $9 trillion in assets under management.
Is it true that you're building out a cryptocurrency capability?
No. I mean, we're looking at it. As I said in the past, we are very excited about blockchain technology. That's what we're looking at, even in the Aladdin universe, what we're trying to do there. So we're looking at blockchain technologies, and we're looking at all the crypto.
Blockchain isn't crypto. Blockchain is just the underlying technology.
Well, that's the most important thing. Whether it is a cryptocurrency, we're studying them to see how they're performing. And it may be, it may be.
Don't your clients want crypto exposure?
No, I don't believe any client has sought out crypto exposure.
Really?
Yes.
But at some point they might. Do you need to be prepared?
I don't, at the moment, no.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
I mean, Goldman Sachs is building out a cryptocurrency trading desk. Morgan Stanley is doing the same thing.
Well, I'm not in the trading area.
Morgan's doing the same thing.
Yes, because there's elements of people who are looking to trade it. I have not heard from any one client they're looking to buy a cryptocurrency at this time. When it becomes more legitimatized, when it has the true open nature of it, that you identify who the players are on both sides, that's when we'll probably look at it as an alternative to all currencies. But I have
right now you are where then? You are.
What do you mean?
Just studying it?
We're studying it. We're looking how they perform. We're looking at that type of data to understand it as we think about other products. But right now, I can tell you it worldwide. I have not heard from one client who said, I need to be in this.
I think it's just an example of the pent-up interest in crypto. And we are hearing from clients around the world about the need for crypto.
Now, the very same institutions that once dismissed the idea of Bitcoin and similar digital currencies are not just whispering, but loudly talking about it. Their clients are showing interest, eager to get involved in the world of digital currency. And why this sudden change of heart, you ask? Well, truth be told, it hasn't been so sudden. These big investment companies have been quietly moving behind the scenes, steadily getting ready to shift into high gear with crypto. The evidence is right in front of us. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, is currently reviewing multiple filings for Bitcoin exchange-traded products. According to Reuters, there are 8 to 10 such filings being considered. That's not just a small sign. It's a huge wave that's about to hit the financial world. And there's more. Bitcoin's price has surged this past few weeks, fueled by rumors that the SEC is just about ready to give the green light to a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, a move many believe could drive up demand. Why? Because it means investors could easily buy into Bitcoin through a product listed right on the stock exchange, giving them direct access to the action in the cryptocurrency world. But what does this mean for you, the viewer at home? Whether you're new to crypto or you've felt the ups and downs of the market, it's a signal. It's time to look beyond the usual market trends and base your decisions on solid research. The next Bitcoin halving is on the horizon, set for April 2024. We'll dive deep into that in another episode, but it's an indication of what may come. The scene is changing, and those who get ready now, who seek knowledge and build their understanding on facts rather than fear, will be the ones prepared for the next rise in the market. So stay alert and keep an open mind. The Crypto Light is here to guide you through these exciting times. We'll explore the projects with potential and the facts you need to navigate this new era. Thank you for watching. If you found value in our journey today, leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and join our community of crypto explorers. Until next time, keep shining in the crypto light.